Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my last videos, I've been telling you that we need to break out this triangle, this descending triangle as soon as possible. Right now, Bitcoin has finally broken out the resistance of this triangle. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line will continue its move to the upside or not. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me just start with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that we are nicely getting bounced from the support of this very big falling wedge pattern. And before that, we had this falling wedge pattern that was started here back in April 2021. And we broke it out here, the resistance, in the month of July 2021. And after breaking out, we had a very big rally and found another resistance here. And we have several touch points at the resistance and several touch points at the support. And right now, after testing the support, it is getting bounced towards the upside. Now, at the same time, we can see that stochastic is turning bullish from the oversold zone, but still we did not receive the bull cross between the blue line and the orange line. Like this blue line should cross up the orange line, and still we have the blue line below this orange line that is still a sell signal. But I believe that soon we will receive this bull cross once more, and this time it will be not a fake signal. It can be a genuine signal this time, because we are getting bounced from the support of a very big falling wedge, and at the same time we are also getting bounced from a key support of $28,600. And you can see every time whenever we are testing this support, we are starting nice rally towards the upside. Now let's take a look at this triangle that I was talking about in my previous videos as well. And you can see that we had a rejection here and here, and the next rejection was here. Then we had another rejection here, another rejection here, and finally we have broken out this resistance of the triangle. But the critical thing over here is still we're not having a sufficient buying volume. Like we had a powerful buying volume here, and you can see that the volume is very low. And if we take a look at the volume oscillator, then it is still moving below zero value, and we need the volume oscillator to move above zero. And by the way, here when we were having this buying yesterday, then we can see it was triggered with the value. You can watch the value here with the value of 16.74. And previously when we had this buying here, then you can see at that time the value was 31.95. But as you can see that volume oscillator was not able to stay above the zero line, therefore the price line again dropped and again moved sideways here. But now we are finally out of this resistance, and there is a possibility if there will be some follow-up volume, buying volume, then this move will be continued. And there is another resistance we can see that is at 30,725. You can see we also have several rejections by this resistance, and exactly at that point the price line is stopped. And for example, if this time we will have another rejection by this resistance line, then there is also another support developed, and this is an uptrend line support, by the way, and it can be another ascending triangle formation. Like this is the horizontal line, and here we have an uptrend line resistance. But I'm expecting after breaking out this triangle, this descending triangle, there is a very high probability that we are going to break out this resistance of $30,725 as well. And for example, if we will have a rejection from this resistance, then it is possible that the price line may retest the previous resistance of this triangle as a support and the support of this uptrend line support, that is the new formation of an ascending triangle. However, our target for this triangle after this breakout, still, let me show you the target for the breakout, can be here approximately at $33,800, very close to $34,000. And let me copy this trend line from here and paste it here, and we can see it is showing us the projection more than half of this falling wedge pattern. So there is a possibility that now Bitcoin will try to make another attempt to break out this resistance of the falling wedge. This time the resistance will be approximately at $35,500 to $36,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.